As I think about additive manufacturing and I think about medical device industry, both of them are wildly complex.
Whether you are a contract manufacturer or an OEM, you live in the world of regulation and certification, working with the right partner in your supply chain that understand what you need, understand the risk management, the requirement you're going through, because they've gone through them themselves, is very important.
So one thing I have seen as being a part of a big medical device company, working with various contractors and folks in the past, there are a lot of machine makers. They don't have a good comprehensive end-to-end solution to medical device customers. Starting at the concepting stage, all the way to full launch of a product and sustaining the product.
I think number one, there's huge investment costs. Infrastructure and the investment costs associated with bringing in these machines to 3D print products for companies provides a large financial barrier to entry. I also think that there's a fear. The change management can be very difficult for people to wrap their heads around and move away from one technology, or even switching within the additive world from one machine to a next. Anytime that we're not actively making product, we're not selling and making money, that can become downtime, and we're all for-profit businesses.
As I think about bringing products to market, one of the most important things is risk and time. There's a really broad spectrum of people and where they are in their journey. Some people are early and they don't know really what they don't know about the technology, and they don't know what it's going to take for facilitization, what's involved with placing a machine, because it's not just dropping and hitting a green button.
I'm excited to see that AddUp is really starting to deliver in the end-to-end space. Specifically, this solution center here in Cincinnati, the amount of the knowledge which is in these walls here is many, many years worth of knowledge.
One of the beautiful things about AddUp here in Cincinnati is that they can take anybody from the very beginning of their journey all the way to really the most mature users who in those instances really want to understand the economics and the performance of the platform. The team here is expertly committed to help ensure that when you take your design, your very precious medical device, and go to get it processed, that we can essentially tell you that it is good and that it will meet the discerning requirements of the FDA and other governing bodies.
Our state-of-the-art facility here at the AddUp Solution Center is specifically designed to help accelerate the adoption of additive manufacturing technology for our customers across a variety of industries with a heavy emphasis on medical. Our ISO 1345 facility can be an accelerator for our customers, bringing a new product to market or shifting that product to take advantage of our platform's specific productivity and efficiency. At AddUp, we're committed to being your trusted partner and accelerating the medical manufacturing market with a reliable and repeatable solution.
When I think of AddUp and what's unique about AddUp, as an OEM myself, we're speaking the same language. They understand your pain, they understand what it takes to be ISO 13485. You don't have to reinvent the wheel, they've got pretty much everything packaged. So you don't waste 6 months, 12 months to have to revalidate everything yourself. You're basically having the expert doing for you, and you save tremendous amount of time.
I think it's a huge value. We can de-risk the customers and also able to accelerate some of the process with respect to FDA.
Having a team locally like AddUp here in Cincinnati is really important so that you can take advantage of all the learnings that's been done so far as facilitization, 1345. And so to have a team here that's gone through that and spent the time to get the certifications really helps to reduce that sort of a risk.
I think this is a very, very strong team. I think whether it is the technical, the machine side, the data aspects of things, the network of partnerships, team here is outstanding.
You really need a strong partner. The ability to leverage and lean into the knowledge, engineering, quality capability, to the data that's been generated, it makes it a very elegant solution.